on top of cavern, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and get what you think's valuable out of the house, in case it stovepipes down. Alcohol, tobacco, and firearms. Who brought the chips?
That's ridiculous.
A little more, or color good?
That looks good.
That'll work.
Just put some orange on her and let's do it. 8 pounds, right? 8 pounds.
Yep. We backed off from 10. Well, at least if we got the trim will turn just a little bit, it'll be really easy to quit. Yeah. And we can send the ankle on that.
Yeah. That's what you call taking a tree down right there.
That's awesome. They broke in 2 pieces.
3.
That was ridiculous.
Look at this cloud. Wow. Wow.
Oh man! It completely blew it apart.
It went down. Look how far it went down. Oh my God! It like tilled the earth too.
Yeah, you can see all.
Look at that.
It snapped it off. It didn't just break over.
Wow.
You can't even see where the hole was that I.
No. You can see where it
That
exploded
took-
downwards.
That took about 3 feet of tree out. There's 3 feet of tree all
Just
over.
missing.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
There's no mark where we even cut that at.
Nope.
Well, the hole was right here.
Yep.
I just took it apart, set it down, and dropped it over.
Here,
Something else we discovered. This tree next to it. This tree across the driveway. This tree about 30 feet away. Well, sports fans, that one was so good. We've decided to do another one. So we've got this little guy. We're going to test to see how many pounds it takes to take it down. So we'll keep you updated. How's it fit? Like a glove. Oh man.
Operation Tree Suppository is a go.
Yes, kids.
We were 50 yards.
That's great. The goal is to blow it in half, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh shit!
Damn!
You know, it didn't quite do it, but
It took some of the top off.
I'm gonna say close enough on that.